Good afternoon, children. In physics, yesterday also we did metric table based on length. You remember, Khansama has deserted me during cold months? This was the sentence I told you to keep remember. The same sentence will also use in the same metric table which is based on mass. So before starting this metric table based on mass, I will tell you once again, as I told you about the sentence Khansama has deserted me during cold months. So at the place of K, small capital A, capital H, capital D, here at the place of M we will write G, small d, small c and small m. They will remain the same as it is, only this place we have to change. At the place of m we will write G. See, Khansama has deserted me during cold months. So earlier we were writing kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter. Now we will write kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Same like yesterday we saw, we are going up, one place up. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again they are 7. This is the center one. We will write 1 over here, and as we will move up, 1 0 will increase, 2 0 will increase, 3 0 will increase. We are moving the step by step, and here 1, first step 1 0, second step 2 0, third step 3 0. In the same manner, when we come down, again just see 1 is over here. Now we will come down, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, second step, 1 upon 1000, third step. Understood? And I also told you about this, children. The unit which is at the upper side is always bigger. Just see, here 2 units are written, kilogram and hectogram. This is the big unit or bigger unit we can say, and this is the smaller one because it is written below. This also the same revision like we did yesterday, the same revision we have done today also, the same thing. Everything is same, only at the place of meter gram is there, rest everything is same. So again the rule is also same. This rule you have to learn by heart, children. Then only you will be able to do the conversions properly and without any mistake. To convert big unit into small unit, we multiply. To convert small unit into big unit, we divide. This always keep in your mind and always underline whenever you will write. You just underline both multiply and divide. When we have to multiply, when we convert big unit into small unit, and when we have to divide, children, when we convert small unit into big unit. I hope you all have understood. And this also I have told you yesterday also, and today just to remind you the sentence again I have written. So don't forget the sentence, children. Always keep remember, because when the sentence, sentence is not important. The main thing is you have to keep remember the sequence. It is for the sequence purpose only we have written this sentence. In the metric table based on mass, only one change is there. At the place of m, what we have to write? G, and G denotes to gram. Like m denotes to meter, G denotes to gram. Understood, children? Yes, children. Now I will explain you the conversion based on length. You can very well see Here it is written convert 5 kilometer into meter. When it is written, what you have to do, first of all, again you write Khansama has deserted me during cold month. But you will not write this in full sentence. I will show you how you will write. Khansama has deserted me during cold month. Understood? Now just see, this is kilometer. Where is kilometer? This is kilometer, and have to convert it into meter. What we will do? See carefully, children. This is kilometer. Just hide kilometer and just see how many steps you are coming down. This you have to hide. This you have to hide. 1, 2, 3. How many steps you are coming down? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. Third one means this is 1, 1 0, 2 0 and 3 0. It means when we are coming down means this unit to this unit. So kilometer, it is written here upper side. This unit is a bigger unit and you have to convert it into meter. This is a small unit. Big unit into small unit. Just see. Convert big unit into small unit, multiply. So we have to multiply. We are coming down here. This, so you have to hide now. As I told you, hide this. When you hide this, 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. 3 steps means 3 0. It means multiply by